So Marion, as the founder of Simply Movement, how has your work evolved over the last 30 years?
Well, I started my career in children's education, studied from then dance and drama pedagogy, where I've come across various different teaching methods and therapies such as psychodrama. What fascinated me there is the method of the Feldenkrais teaching, and I integrate this with a wide range of students from teenager to elderly people. And I became then more aware of the Asian therapies and trained in Tai Chi, Qigong, yoga, meditation, relaxation.
It has so many different meanings because it starts with simply movement. And I mean simply movement, like just simply movement. It could start just with this, simply movement, and then follow and see what happens. But movement, of course, also implies change and moving on from things, and it's so difficult to explain because you need to experience it. But when I work with Marion, things shift.
And there's very much a physical connection with the earth element.
Nourishment.
Very intuitive, very in the moment.
Risk-taking.
Body awareness.
Opening.
And joyful.
Playfulness.
Healing.
Expanding.
Release.
Very relaxing.
Looking more closely and critically at myself.
What I'm trying to do in my workshop classes or one-to-one session is to pick up the needs and dip them into any of my tools and techniques to meet the personal requirement and needs of the students.
I believe that we all have the potential to heal ourselves. My role as a facilitator is to guide my students and help them to discover their own wisdom and healing potential.
It was exactly 18 years ago when I first came to Marion's classes. And I know that because I discovered after starting her classes, almost immediately, that I was pregnant. In doing these classes, coinciding with my pregnancy, I think it really made my pregnancy really smooth and easy, and I'm sure it wouldn't have been otherwise because I always had backache, I held my shoulders very stiffly, and it was a really easy pregnancy.
The kind of benefits that Marion's work brought to me have been just a sense of relaxing and really getting to know how I feel about things. Often I'm going at life 150 miles an hour. And so a lot of the work I do in Marion's class helps me to connect with my body and to connect that feeling in my body with how I'm feeling emotionally.
Well, mainly I suffer from arthritis, and it helped me to relax and to the breathing, very important, that if my mind sometimes gets overworked and I relax, I'm lying in bed and I take deep breaths in and out, and they are very, very beneficial. And it's even helped my arthritis. I feel less pain in my joints now. So I'm very grateful to Marion.
There is the potential for diseased bodies to become well, for troubled minds to become freer, for physical ailments to get released. The work is fantastic.